Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your money management with Tally easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Tally on your device. Once Tally is launched, navigate to the Gateway of Tally screen. Select Create Company to set up your financial profile. Fill in the required fields such as the company name, address, and financial year. Set your country and state for accurate tax calculations. After entering the details, click Save at the bottom right corner. Next, access the Accounts Info menu from the Gateway of Tally. Choose Ledgers to create and manage your accounts. Select Create to add a new ledger for tracking your expenses. Input the ledger name and set the appropriate group for categorization. Repeat this step for all necessary expense and income ledgers. Now, navigate back to the Gateway of Tally. Select the Voucher Entry option to start recording transactions. Choose the type of voucher you need, such as payment or receipt. Enter the date of the transaction and choose the related ledger. Fill in the amount and any additional details, then click Enter. Repeat this process for all transactions to keep your records updated. Once entries are made, go to Display from the Gateway of Tally. Select Trial Balance for a summary of your financial performance. Review the trial balance for accuracy and make adjustments if needed. Next, generate reports by going to the Reports menu. Choose Profit and Loss account to see your earnings and expenses. You can also access the balance sheet for an overview of your assets and liabilities. To enhance your money management, utilize Tally's budgeting features. Navigate to Accounts Info and select Budgets and Control. Create a new budget by entering the financial goals for different categories. Regularly compare your actual expenses with your budget for better control. Lastly, back up your company data to ensure it's securely stored. Go to the Gateway of Tally and select Backup. Choose the destination path for your backup files and confirm. With these steps, you're now well equipped to manage your finances effectively with Tally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.